Hello everybody. This is Henry Kramer, 605 Chaser, coming to you live. We're going to have an update here very shortly. Be one moment. Lots of news to get to. Appreciate you all joining. All right, so we have Nate in the studio. You can see his top of his head. Say hi, Nate.
Hi.
All right, so we have Nate in the studio today. We're going to go over everything that we possibly can. This is his first time running the studio gear, so we're going to take a look at things and get to as much information as we possibly can, as quickly as we can. So, as you can see, off to the, here we do have the Category 3 that is expected as the scroll goes across there for Hurricane Beryl. And then if we take a look a little bit deeper into Category 4, Nate, why don't you go ahead and zoom in on that for me and click on that to show the viewers what the maximum winds are expected. 160 mile an hour winds that we're expecting with that. What about if we go to that Category 3, we can take a look at that and see what the max wind gusts. 155 miles an hour max gusts on July 2nd. That's based on the hurricane tracking. July 2nd around 7 p.m. So let's not spend a whole lot of time on the tropics right now because it is still far out, but let's zoom in and show them right where it is right now. Still out in the Caribbean Sea. If you can zoom in just a little bit more there, Nate.
This one?
Yep. All right, so as you can see, if we take a look at the current wind gusts, what is it showing there, Nate? You'll have to look at the Category 4. It is currently a Category 4 out in the Caribbean Sea, and is it not letting you click on there? You might have to click on this one. All right, so it's expected this evening to be 165 mile an hour wind gusts out in the Caribbean Sea. So those that are, on those ships, feel bad for them at this point. All right, let's go ahead and talk about the big event for the Dakotas, South Dakota, Iowa, and Nebraska. And we'll dive in there. We're going to take a look at the NAM 3K estimated composite reflective outlook. Let's go ahead and put that into motion and show our viewers here where we're expecting those storms to kind of develop. As we progress, as you can see with the time up top, that's what you want to take a look at. And we'll be able to see just shortly here Grand Island as we zoom in there. You can certainly see, getting used to Nate's moving around here. So I-80 area around 3 o'clock in the morning on the 1st. So tomorrow morning. Let's go ahead and zoom back out and show a bigger picture. There you go. And let's bring it closer to our afternoon of the 1st. Let's see what's going to happen there. And then, buddy, you can sometimes use these arrows to make it go.
I know.
Okay. All right. All right, let's zoom back in because now things are really developing there. We do see quite a bit of precip, as you can tell, over in the Yankton area, Vermilion areas. Lots and lots of rain. Let's put a DBZ look on that. All right, what does it show there, Nate?
55 dBz.
55 dBz, and what does that mean?
Heavy rain.
That's right. Okay, so let's take a look at Vermilion area and let's see what that shows for DBZ. Bring it down.
20. Oh, this one.
Yep.
53 dBz.
Okay, so still some heavy rain early in the morning. So the reason why I'm showing that right now is because those storms and that rain cloud cover could hinder the storms from really maturing up in our area. However, there is plenty of moisture to go around. Let's take a look at the dew points that we're expecting around that point. Just got to wait for it to zoom in there. So let's take a look at the dew points. What are those levels? I can't see from here.
59.6 Fahrenheit. That's Not that much.
Not that much, but off to the west, what do we got there with the blue?
60s and
Okay, what do we got down in Nebraska?
70s, and then down by here is...
That's way down south, buddy. It's
Yeah.
Kansas.
Wait, yeah, nothing that bad.
No, as far as dew points, buddy.
Oh, dew points?
Yeah.
That's all the way down in Wichita, Kansas.
Yep. But if you go right here,
62.
yeah, that's a lot of moisture, right?
But look.
What if you
50s.
progress it further into the afternoon?
Okay, let me do that. Okay.
All right, use
Yeah,
your
I have to
arrows.
wait until it's done loading.
Yep, you gotta wait till it's done loading. So as you can see, guys, this is a little unique situation, but it's a father-son time, and we're kind of wanting to learn together. All right, so if you zoom over here, now you can tell. I should probably show on the map. If you zoom, if you zoom over here, you can certainly see down by Lincoln. You'll be able to see we probably have 70-degree dew points, or pretty close to it, Nate.
Yep, 73.
73, lots of moisture.
But
So
there's
that's
only there's 50s and 60s connected, so that's not that good.
that's not that big of a deal, right? So let's zoom out. So what you're getting to is you're wanting to show the difference, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So over in Casper, Wyoming,
Yeah.
drier air, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we got the moist air right there.
Mhm.
So if you put the composite reflective on at 3 p.m.,
This. Okay, where is that?
see, you can see that development. Nate, hold on a second.
What?
You can see that development over by Casper, Wyoming, where that difference of the dew point, we have the cooler, drier air, and we do have the moist air in the Nebraska area, and that's where all that is developing.
And on
So
the
if we progress that along and get into the later evening hours,
So like around 4.
yeah, 4 or 5, continue on there and see what happens.
It blows up here.
Hold
Let
on,
me get
buddy.
off this.
Hold on, buddy.
I'm
You got,
getting off of this.
hold on.
What?
Take a look at what you're watching. All right. I've got to be able to use this. All right.
Okay.
So sometimes it's a little tricky, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we're showing them 4 p.m. We're showing them
Right
4
here,
p.m.
Newcastle Casino. Hot Springs, Wyoming, Newcastle, no.
Yep. So that's where the development is,
And
around
then,
4 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Nothing here.
But let's go around 7 p.m. Let's take a look and see what
7
happens
p.m.
around
I'll
7
be
p.m.
able to. So 7 p.m. That's 5, 6, 7. That's when it blows up.
That's when it blows up, huh? Okay. So let's show our viewers Sioux Falls, Sioux City. We want to show around 10 p.m.
Oh, 10 p.m. Okay.
As you can see, I'm gonna
that's
hold up. I'm gonna show them this right now, okay? So as you can see, this development right here, the Grand Island area and north, points north, even up to the Sioux Falls area around 8 p.m. We do have storm development, a whole line connecting
Like
between
this
here.
whole entire line.
Yep. That whole line from down in south central Nebraska all the way through Grand Island and up to Sioux Falls. Let's bring it over to 10 p.m. and take a look at that.
8, 9. That's when it looks like a hook.
It's not a hook, buddy.
It's that's all coming right at us.
Yeah, but that's going to continue to move off to the east.
But
Let's not get too far ahead, okay? So as you can see, we do have plenty of rain and moisture that's coming up from the south, Sioux Falls area, and even points over in Grand Island. Let's take a look at the significant. Well, let's bring it to 10 p.m. and midnight so that we can kind of show them the overall.
That's
As you
when
can
it
see.
gets crazy.
Yeah. All right, look here where I'm at,
I'm
buddy.
gonna look at the dude.
Look
Yeah.
where I'm at, buddy.
Oh.
Okay.
But I can't.
There you go. All right. So there's the Sioux Falls, and if you look at the DBZ, let's take a look at
38.
the DBZ right in the center of Sioux Falls there. So we're gonna have 59. Yep, 59 DBZ. What does that mean?
59 means heavy rain,
Yep,
flooding possible.
flooding possible. Yep. All right.
I'm looking at it.
If you go to significant tornado
Oh,
parameter,
that's gonna be crazy.
let's take a look, and this is a measurement based on the NAM 3K.
Nothing.
Hold on, buddy.
Because I need to bring it. Is it okay if I bring it all the way back?
Yeah, you got to bring it back a little ways. Hold on.
Okay.
Zoom it out. Appreciate y'all joining us and going through all the fun stuff with Nate here. We'll bring
Okay.
this through here.
Okay, you need to slow down.
Yep. But
There we go.
that's where we need to zoom in. All right.
5, 6,
So what
5, 7.
is the level? Just a little bit of education, guys. Here. What does the 6 level mean in terms of significant tornado parameters measurement?
That means that it's very high.
Very high. So does that mean it's very likely?
Yes.
Okay.
That's where it is most very likely. Okay,
Likely
there's
for
nothing.
what? Let's tell our viewers likely for what.
Wedge tornadoes?
Well, don't go wedge
What?
tornado, buddy. We can't predict any of that.
Yeah.
But it's the environment is likely to have a tornado. But we also have to have what else to verify?
Super Choker Pod? No, not that.
We have
Cap.
we have to verify if it's capped. So how do we figure out if the atmosphere is capped?
We check it. So that is surface base. Oh, yep.
Surface
No
base is in.
cap.
There's no cap. And how do we know that?
Because there is negative and
It's a
is
negative.
below than these areas.
Right. So can you show our viewers where there's a strong cap?
A strong cap right up here.
Yep. So that's all
On this
capped, right?
aisle area.
Yep.
And then tussle.
And then there's no cap there. So the
and
according
no cap here.
Okay, buddy, you're going all over the
What?
place.
It's so fun to do this.
Guys, I appreciate you joining us. This is why we got so much energy. So much energy. So, this is our cap, right?
Yep, but that's
Okay.
not in our area. So,
I understand.
so there's no cap in Tulsa, Oklahoma, Granite. Well, there's a little bit of cap in Granite.
Okay.
Nebraska,
And
but-
what else do we need, buddy? We need what?
Max updraft velocity.
Well, I don't have that measurement that I'm concerned about. I'm more
Uh,
concerned about cape, right? We have to have cape.
Space cape.
Okay. So what is
Right.
it's loading, so give it
Yeah.
a minute. Give it a minute. So this is around that same time frame. We have cape that is in the 3,000 joules per kilogram. So that is the energy that is needed.
Let's check 10 p.m.
Just hold on a
I know,
second.
but I need to check.
I know you do. Can we? Be
Yes.
patient, buddy. All right. So we got the cape right there. Let me show the viewers here because I'm standing in their way. So we do have the cape right here. Plenty of cape, plenty of energy to be
Yes.
able to fuel those storms. And we could have some long-lived tornadoes in the Nebraska area, specifically Grand Island, and even to the east of that, North Platte and Lincoln, Nebraska, certainly could have that. Let's go ahead and show the viewers the overall Day 2 outlook.
Day 2, okay.
Yep.
Put that on. For
Okay.
the tornado.
Well, I want the categorical. We want to show all that. Let's close that and let's shut off our radar information.
So you want me to shut this off?
Yep.
Okay, shut.
All right. So we can see the current temperatures. Let's go ahead and.
40.
Bud, that's probably the dew points, buddy.
Oh, let me check.
But let's just double check.
No, okay, so dew points. That would go.
It's right here, buddy.
Temps. Wait, dew point. Yep.
So
Temperature.
yeah, we want the temperature. All right, so those are the current temperatures. Not sure if you're able to see them, but as you can see, hold off, buddy. Let's hold off in zooming, okay? So this is the slight risk that we have. Big swath area for tomorrow. We do have the marginal risk in the lighter shades of green. And as you can see, temperatures currently around the area. We've got upper 60s, nice cool temps.
70s.
Some 70s south of Pier. It might be a little
Cold.
where a lot of that
This is probably why.
where a lot of that sun is. Let's go ahead and show them the tornado
Yeah.
outlook.
That's what I'm.
All right, let's go ahead and close that up. All right, so I'm going to show this on the map, okay?
I am mad about
Okay, don't be mad. Get glad. Oh.
No.
All right, buddy. So we do have, as you can see, the Grand Island area. That is a 5% risk for tornadoes on this side. And we do have the 2% risk all the way up to Rapid City area, as well as Pier and points northward. Sioux Falls is not in the tornado risk. However, Sioux City is, as well as points to the east, just west of Des Moines, as you can see there. Let's go ahead and take a look at what there is a threat of
For us.
for our area.
The
Let's look at the wind. Go ahead and close that.
That's going to be a big
All right.
down here.
All right, let's take a look at that. We do have the 15% risk. Is that 15? Can you click on it?
15, and then this is the
Yep.
hatched area.
Okay. Hold on, let's not get too far ahead, buddy. And then we do have the 5% risk. This is for the wind. So this brown area is for the wind, and the yellow is also the wind, but a higher area or a higher percentage of impact. And then we do have the hatched area here. This is the area, of course, that has that 5% risk for tornadoes risk level. So that's the hatched area where we have Lincoln, Grand Island, those areas. Let's take a look at the hail. All right. Go ahead and close that. We do have a significant hatched area as well. Same area as we stated a little bit ago. We do have the Grand Island area. Let's zoom in down to Grand Island and let's watch over here, Nate. All right. All right, so we do have a large area. We've got Broken Bow, Stapleton, North Platte. All that is in the significant Kearney, Grand Island, Hastings, McCook, and Columbus and Norfolk. All those are in a significant, severe hatched area for the hail for tomorrow, if storms can get going. And then let's zoom back out and show everyone this is an area of concern as well, along I-29 here for some extreme flooding. There's lots of hail potential there, but let's go ahead and shut that off and let's look at the precipitation outlook.
Shut that off. Wait, what do you want me to do again?
Precipitation outlook. So you have to go into this.
No, wait, this.
Nope, that's fire weather, buddy. Let's go into that one. Yep.
Day 1? No, day 2.
Yep. All right.
Yikes.
So let's go ahead and zoom that a little bit. Hold off. Okay. So if you click on there, Nate, that yellow.
If I can. Okay.
You got it?
Slight risk.
Slight risk. So that's showing a slight risk of excessive rainfall. And then that is all of this area in the yellow.
Des Moines, Cedar Rapids, Lincoln, Sioux City, Sioux Falls, Harrisburg.
Right. And then the green, of course, that's a marginal risk, but still a risk, not itself. All right, let's go ahead and show viewers. If we shut that off, we show how much rain is really expected over the course of the next 24 to 48 hours. So we'll need to shut off the temperatures.
Temperatures, okay. Where is that at?
Meters.
Meters? Oh, yeah. Shut off that.
All
And
right.
bring it all the way back.
And then we'll go ahead and turn on our weather model.
Convection line, ARRR.
Nope, NAM 3K. Is NAM 3K go out far enough?
Yep.
Yep, okay. So let's go ahead and bring our precipitation model up. Nope, total precip.
Total.
Yep. All right, and so let's bring it through midnight on the 1st. So it would be basically showing the 2nd. Can you do that?
Yeah, hold on.
It's done loading. Well, let's bring it all the way to the 2nd so we can show viewers, okay?
That's the first. Here comes the second.
All right, so...
That's the first.
Yes, I understand.
That's what I'm like.
All right, so we're going to zoom in and we're going to put our magnifier on and show people how much rain we're expecting based on this model, okay? So there's some areas that are expecting 10 inches of rain And then south of Columbus, let's take a look at that. South of Columbus, Nate.
5.
South of Columbus,
Okay.
Nate.
That.
South, buddy.
Oh, up here?
Nope, that's north.
South? Oh, right here.
Oh, there we go. I appreciate you. All right, 9 inches of rain, 11
11.
inches of rain there. And then let's zoom back out and let's take a look up in the Sioux Falls area. This is between now and midnight,
4.09.
basically, which would be the end of the night of the first, okay?
And then
4
here's the-
inches.
What?
I need you to watch this one where you're going,
I know.
because I'm right here. All right, so we got 4 inches of rain in Sioux Falls area. Let's take a look at just southwest of T. There you go. You got your directions figured out. Let's zoom in and see if there's any towns in there. Oh yeah,
Spring Valley, Midway.
lots of moisture there.
81. Yeah.
All right, 7 inches or more on Highway 81. As you can see, plenty of rain. This is again between now
And the second.
and the end of the first. So
Oh, yeah.
basically within about 36 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is going to be a lot of rain. So I appreciate all you folks having your patience with us. Appreciate the likes. I do see there's some likes on Facebook as well as our Facebook page. I'm going to have Nate hand things off, and I'm going to go through a few other details here. Nate, I appreciate your help today.
Mm-hmm.
You go hang out, okay?
Okay.
Tell everybody bye.
Bye.
All right, guys. I appreciate you all joining. We're going to switch things up a little bit. All right, Algo 101, can you hear me now? Okay, is the sound back? I think the sound is back. I apologize, y'all. Okay. So 605 chase for Sioux Falls 7-day forecast. As you can see, high 72, We do definitely. I think we got the. Whoa, yeah, we got the sound back. Hold on. There we go. Okay, sorry that I blasted you out of there. So 605 Chaser, Sioux Falls 7-day forecast. As you can see, we certainly do have highs in the 70s, upper 70s, and low 80s. Continued storms Monday through Thursday, and thankfully our lows will be less moist. Let me put it that way. We'll definitely continue to see drier air by the weekend. It's going to be a great weekend for you to just go for a walk, go hike, or go out in nature. Let me give you a rundown of a few other things that I wanted to touch base with. And that'll allow me to... Whoops, there we go. Let me go ahead and put this on here for our radar Omega. All right, thank you, Algo. All right, so I did want to take a look at one other thing that I wasn't able to take a look at right away, and that is the NAM 12K, just to show you a different view of total precipitation. So here's another weather model. I seem to have lost my self here. 1 second. One second, I'm there with you. There we go. I'm back with you. I apologize. I had too many different things pulled up here. So appreciate your patience, all of you. There we go. Now we have a view. All right. So showing what we do expect based on the NAM 12K model is much more precip than the NAM 3K. So this is probably giving you an idea of the worst case scenario. Areas that don't need it anymore. As you can see, plenty of rain in these areas. 13 inches of rain. All this area is expected to have plenty of continued moisture up here. This would be the worst case scenario for areas that have already been hard hit. This would be a look at 5 p.m. between now and 5 p.m. on the 1st. If things were to play out. But let's bring this to the midnight area. Apologize, we'll go 1 a.m. because that's the farthest that I can go. So you may see it not show any numbers as far as inches in the Canton area. Well, the reason for that being is this magnifier. It is such an excessive amount that it actually cannot pick that up. That is a concern quite a bit. So let's take a look again at these areas here. 12 to 10 to 12 inches of rain anywhere is a lot, but more so in these areas because they've already been hard hit. So let's take a look at the NAM 3K during that same time frame. Okay, that would be why. It's only able to bring us up to 7 p.m. So the best model to take a look at is really right now going to be 12K weather model to give you an idea of that rain. I feel for all of those that are in these hard hit areas. So, all right, I am going to let you all go, but that is the latest information that we have. We'll do another update tomorrow morning as things get rolling. Again, appreciate all of you joining and appreciate Algo 101 commenting. I'm sorry I wasn't able to see that in the beginning. I had it on a different scene, and so I didn't have the chat scene showing up. So appreciate you. Certainly go ahead and share this with your friends. We'd love to continue with our weather education and continue updating you with any type of weather events that are expected. God bless you all. Stay safe, everybody.